Are you looking to give your desktop a performance boost without breaking the bank? Look no further than the Komputerbay 8GB DDR2 RAM. This memory upgrade kit, comprising two 4GB DIMM modules, is designed to breathe new life into your aging system. Running at a speedy 800 MHz, this RAM is compatible with a range of desktop computers, offering support for dual, triple, and quad-channel configurations. But what sets it apart from the competition? It's not just about the specs, it's about reliability. Komputerbay prides itself on delivering grade A brand name memory. While you might be tempted by cheaper alternatives, opting for low-quality RAM can lead to system crashes, error codes, and even damage to your motherboard. With Komputerbay, you can trust that you're investing in a top-of-the-line product. Each module undergoes rigorous testing before leaving the factory, giving you peace of mind that you're getting a reliable component for your system. And with a lifetime warranty backing every purchase, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. Whether you're a casual user looking to speed up everyday tasks or a power user pushing your system to the limit, the Komputerbay 8GB DDR2 RAM is an excellent choice. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to a smoother computing experience. Upgrade your desktop today and feel the difference firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.